What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on ZRO because this coin is for the past couple of hours pumping absolutely like crazy, and in this video I will show you the exact setup that I'm currently watching on this coin. Because if we will take a look on the higher time frame, we are almost in the price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have here any interesting supports or resistances, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a huge pumps. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Actually, the RSI right now is, in my opinion, really overbought because we are on the level like 94.3. So if there will be some drop, then I am watching here two interesting setups that you can take advantage of. The first one will be valid in case of a retest of this previous important resistance area, which is between levels 4.43 and 4.34, and the setup will be valid here in case of a test, fake out, and then a support confirmation. So if the market will do simply something like this with a support confirmation, then you can open here a long trade. Stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit target you need to place either under this current high or, for example, under like $8 to $10 mark, something like that, which I think can be the main take profit target in the long time perspective. But probably on these trades on the 1 hour chart will be much better to place your last take profit target based on the risk reward ratios. So for trades like this, I always, let's say, like to have risk reward ratio around 10 if we are, for example, speculating to a new all-time high. So then your last take profit target can be around like $6, something like that. And even if you will take like multiple take profit targets, which I think you definitely should, then yeah, this setup will be still really good. Another potential entry will be valid here in case of a bigger drop, and yeah, the setup is here exactly the same as with the previous resistance area. So if there will be breakdown, fake out, and then a support confirmation in this bullish order block, which is between levels 3.80 and 3.72, then I think you can open here a long trade. Stop loss again under the low that we will create during the fake out, or you can place it like under this previous strong low, which will give you really safe stop loss. And the last take profit target, again, you can place it to risk reward ratio 10, or you can aim for like $6, which will give you risk reward ratio like 13.79, and again, that's in my opinion really good. So yeah, these are the scenarios that you can use in case of a huge drop, and let's now take a look on the bullish scenarios. The first bullish scenario that you can trade here will be probably valid on a 15-minute time frame, because here you can see we are watching this extremely bullish triangle, because if we are forming triangle after a big pump, there is pretty high probability that in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation, the break will probably continue to go up. So if there will be that support confirmation, probably on like a 30-minute, but if you want you can watch it also on like a 15-minute chart, then you can open here a long trade. So the entry will be, let's say, somewhere like somewhere in this area. Then stop loss you need to place back to this triangle, because yeah, if the market is not gonna react on that support confirmation, then the price will probably go down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And your last take profit target, again, you can place based on the risk reward ratio that you want to have. And for example, for a scalp trade like this, I would speculate for risk reward ratio around 7, something like that. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be still really good. Definitely with a trade on like a 15-minute time frame, do not speculate for like a $10 mark or something like that, because yeah, there is always some probability that you are gonna hit that trade. But right now, like, there is no way that from this small triangle on the 15-minute we are gonna do that huge pump. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And if you will open here a long position after a support confirmation, take it more likely as a potential scalp trade. And let's now take a look on the higher time frame, which is like a 4 hour chart. So if you, for example, really want to open a long position right now, then you should probably place your stop loss like under these previous lows, which is not ideal, but it is gonna give you like stop loss like 6.6% of the net market, which is not bad. So if you will place your last take profit target right, so in this trading scenario, we are gonna speculate for that, for example, $8 or like $9 that I was talking about earlier in this video, then this can also be a good trade. In my opinion, this trading scenario is having really high probability of getting liquidated, because stop loss like under these previous lows, well, it's not like something that it's quite nice, but in case of like another huge pump, you are probably not going to be interested where your stop loss is. So yeah, if you really want to open some, let's say, midterm long position right now, then you should place your stop loss like under this previous low. In my VIP trading group, we are not probably gonna trade this move, because I'm always looking for the best possible setups, and I think this is like not the best possible setup that I can currently get on the whole crypto market. But on this coin, on the 4-hour chart, probably yes, this is quite a good setup, because we are having here decent risk reward ratio. And again, in this case, take multiple take profit targets. So for example, once we will reach, for example, like $6 mark, move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. And if you, for example, want to help with trading, so you want to copy my exact trades, don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing their analysis on the important altcoins every single day. So yeah, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.